Today's steel fabrication industry requires more than just fast estimating. Fabricators and erectors need connected workflows that support purchasing, material management, fabrication coordination, and downstream field operations. Built on more than 75 years of combined steel industry experience, JPC Toolset and EJE Industries are focused on helping companies modernize the way operational data is created, structured, and utilized throughout the entire project lifecycle. Since 1985, EJE Industries has supported more than 2,000 companies across the steel and fabrication industry with operational workflow solutions designed to improve coordination, visibility, and production efficiency. In today's steel construction environment, estimating is no longer just about quantities and bid speed. Fabricators and erectors need workflows that create structured operational data capable of supporting purchasing, inventory coordination, material management, fabrication planning, shipping coordination, and downstream field operations. But many companies still rely on disconnected spreadsheets, repetitive manual entry, and inconsistent estimating methods that create inefficiencies throughout the project lifecycle. As projects become more demanding and operational timelines continue tightening, the need for connected workflow systems becomes increasingly important. JPC Toolset transforms Bluebeam into a steel-focused estimating and workflow environment through the JPC Tool Chest system. Instead of disconnected markups and manual calculations, estimators work inside a standardized workflow designed specifically for fabrication and erection-focused estimating workflows. Material classifications, labor structures, assemblies, and fabrication-ready outputs can all be captured consistently during the takeoff process. The workflow helps reduce repetitive entry, improve consistency between estimators, and create cleaner operational data from the very beginning of the estimating process. Standardized outputs also help support downstream purchasing, reporting, inventory coordination, shipping preparation, fabrication planning, and field execution workflows across the organization. More importantly, the JPC Tool Chest creates the bridge between estimating and downstream operational workflows. Through integration with EJE Industries systems, structured estimating data can move more efficiently into material management, purchasing coordination, inventory workflows, fabrication operations, shipping coordination, and field execution processes. Instead of recreating information multiple times across disconnected systems, fabrication and erection teams gain improved continuity between estimating, purchasing, inventory coordination, fabrication planning, shipping, and field operations. This helps reduce repetitive entry, improve workflow visibility, and support more connected steel construction processes throughout the organization. The objective is not simply faster estimating. The objective is creating operational workflows that improve coordination between departments while supporting more accurate, scalable, and connected fabrication and erection operations. Together, JPC Toolset and EJE Industries are helping companies move toward more connected operational environments built around standardized workflow data and improved downstream visibility. As steel fabrication and erection workflows continue evolving, JPC Toolset is focused on helping companies modernize the way operational data is created, structured, and utilized throughout the project lifecycle. Future initiatives include AI-assisted estimating workflows, revision intelligence, enhanced workflow visibility, and operational automation designed to support, not replace, experienced estimating, fabrication, and field operations teams. The focus remains centered on practical workflow improvements that help companies improve consistency, scalability, and operational efficiency across estimating, fabrication, and erection environments. JPC Toolset and EJE Industries are helping fabricators and erectors create more connected workflows between estimating, material management, purchasing, fabrication coordination, and field operations. Structured workflows, fabrication-focused technology built on decades of industry experience, built for the modern steel industry.